première étape, l'étape Greenwich Zero Europe, de ce projet, de ce magnifique projet conçu, porté par notre frère ami Yasmine Yilmaz.
This project is about globalization, connections and time. So, I mean, we are global right now here and got connected to each other also through this project, but with all of you. And we share this time together, and this means a lot for me. So this is also my outgoing idea to create this project, to show and to build a bridge between, because we are living in a global world in this time of age, and everybody is very close to the other, and so the idea to hold one day, the day 29th of February from last year, because we had the leap year. It is just one day in life, just one day, without comment. But for this artist, it was a special day.
Excellences, Mesdames et Messieurs, Madame Yilmaz, merci beaucoup de me donner la parole et bien sûr c'était un grand plaisir, premièrement de vous voir tous réunis ici pour cette occasion et deuxièmement d'être présent pour une exhibition vraiment intéressante.
Je pense qu'il faut vivre avec et qu'il faut transformer en choses familières et même en art. Donc, et de toute façon, la connexion qui est entre nous tous.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say welcome to Franco-Namibian Cultural Center. This is the main gallery area, and I'm the communications officer. And on this winter night, I think it's appropriate for me to say a warm welcome to all of you.
I think we have something very special here that we don't often have in Namibia and that we don't have often in the world. This project has been initiated by Yasmine Yilmaz, which is the artist. She works, her dedication in art is, the main focus of art is around time.
Create something or to get involved in that creative process. And she will stop, whether it's finished or not, whether it's beautiful enough or not, because she will be honest and true to that specific moment and that situation. And I think that is extremely brave. If many of us artists here would follow that example, I think we would really end up with brilliant work. We will really make a contribution to, I think, to the quality of the creative process, instead of focusing on the outcome. So, Yasmin, I think this is a great project. It's really something.
Time, the essence of humanity. Time, the definition of reality. Time, the description of creativity. Time, the provision of divinity. Time. Time, the answer to determination. Time, the question of our devotion. Time, the journey of our redemption. Time, the trip to our solution. Time. Time, connection to globalization. time collection to globalization, time definition to globalization, time creation to globalization, time. Images defining time, images describing time, visuals expressing time, art exploring time, time. Images connection to globalization, time a collection to globalization, time a combination to globalization, time, time, time.
I have the honor to open this exhibition, Globalization, Connection and Time, which after was presented in a few countries.
That this curatorial project that Yasmin Yilmaz started is like a snowball of a project that started with her proposal to share her idea of time with other artists.
The idea to create such a project became here. 2 years ago, when I participated at the InterArt camp, it was just an idea I had. But through the artists, it became real. So I want to thank you, Patricia Godrich from USA. Also Ratin Kanji from India is here, he's over there. Stefan Bolov, of course, for Romania. We have Montasir Shemau from Morocco, and myself.
We are in a museum which proposed to your own experiment happen in a day from our life. We change a place and we are in another place. We are in another dimension of the same day, this moment. Jasmine proposes us a very important project. All of us, we are part of this project at this moment. Starting from now, if you take a look at each work 1 second, you will be part of that work. I wish that you will be happy at this moment, at this project, which we are celebrating once in 4 years. Congratulations, Jasmine, and I'm glad that you succeeded to organize this project at which we all are part. You that you belong here.